Hey guys, I'm Coach Michael Burt, the Super Coach, and wouldn't it be nice to go to work every day in a place of energy, where there was an exchange of ideas and energy with other like-minded people, that had music and lights and a comfortable environment and a creative environment? Well, I have created that in the new Greatness Factory. Basically, the Greatness Factory is a place where we manufacture greatness, but we're offering people the ability to work from the Greatness Factory. This is where most of our monster producers work from. This is where they have meetings. Right now, we're offering the Greatness Pass, which is where you can come every day from 8 to 5, work from the factory, get better. We've got a full kitchenette, we've got television, we've got Wi-Fi, we've got everything you need, but more importantly, we got the energy. So take advantage of the Greatness Pass. For $99 a month, you can work from the Greatness Factory. Special offer that's only gonna last about one more month. That also gives you the access to host private events here. New, modern, industrial, cool, energetic. It is a hub of energy and activity. Take advantage of the Greatness Pass. I'm Coach Michael Burt, and I'd like to see you working here every single day.